In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your email address on eBay. If you've switched inboxes, want a more secure contact, or you're just organizing your online accounts, updating your email on eBay helps you stay on top of order updates, messages, and important security alerts. Start on eBay's homepage in a web browser. Make sure you're signed into your account. At the top of the page, hover your mouse over your account name. This opens a quick menu that gives you access to your profile and key account tools. We're using this menu because it's the fastest way to reach the right settings without digging around different pages. From that menu, click Account Settings. This takes you to the central hub for your eBay account. You might be asked to confirm your password, which is normal when accessing sensitive areas. The Account Settings page is where eBay keeps all your billing, shipping, privacy, and sign-in details organized. Once you're in Account Settings, look for Personal Information and click it. Personal Information is the section dedicated to your identity and contact details. This is exactly where eBay stores your email address, phone number, and other sign-in related info. Opening this area makes it easy to review what eBay currently has on file. On the Personal Information page, locate the email address entry. This is your primary email on eBay, the one used for purchase receipts, shipping notices, messages from buyers or sellers, and important security communications. It's also tied to your login, so keeping it current ensures you can recover your account if you ever forget your password or change devices. Next, click Edit next to Email Address. This opens eBay's update flow. From here, eBay will guide you with on-screen prompts, which typically include entering a new email and confirming it. For security, you may be asked to verify through a link or code sent to the new address and sometimes to your current one as well. Follow those prompts to complete the change. A few quick tips to make this smooth. Choose an email you check regularly and that you'll keep long-term. Avoid temporary or shared addresses, and be sure you can access the new inbox right away for verification. If the verification email doesn't arrive, give it a minute, then look in your spam or junk folder and use the resend option if available. And as always, update from within eBay's website and be cautious of unsolicited messages. When in doubt, navigate to eBay directly and complete the process there. That's it. Hover over your account name, open Account Settings, go to Personal Information, find email address, and click Edit. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.